Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan BLT. We're going to make our bacon out of tempeh bacon, and you know, the rest is pretty obvious. Bread, lettuce, tomato, vegan mayo. You can make your own or buy it. I bought it for this recipe, so saves time from making it. This BLT is oil-free and pretty easy to make, slightly time-consuming because you have to marinate your bacon for at least an hour to get those bacony flavors soaked into the tempeh. And then you gotta cook it for half an hour. So I suggest making bacon like when you have time, and then you can make a BLT really quick whenever you want. So I'll go ahead and show you how to make that bacon and an awesome vegan BLT sandwich. Well, let's go.
Traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it.
By the way, all the ingredients and everything, I'll put a link to that blog post in the description box, so you can just see that instead of watching this video if you want to do it, or you can just watch the video. Your call. And yeah. Alright, it's been an hour in the fridge, so now I'm gonna bake the bacon. So I've got a baking sheet here with the silicone mat so that nothing sticks to the pan. You can also use baking paper, or oil works too if you're not trying to be oil free. Yeah, get that out of the fridge, put it on here, put it in the oven that I didn't preheat yet. Preheat your oven first, don't do what I did. So I've got it. It's all marinated, I guess. You can also marinate this like overnight if you want. I don't think there's really a way to over marinate it. I mean, I guess you could, but overnight is also fine. Or, you know, start it in the morning for like a BLT for dinner, whatever. All right, look.
But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer. To go.
I still got a bunch of leftover marinade, so you could, you know, do it again, or maybe marinate some carrots in this, or eggplant makes bacon pretty well too. Yeah.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I'm...
Alright, got my BLT here. Looks really good, and the whole house smells amazing. Like 5 minutes into baking, the bacon, the whole house just smelled so good and I got really hungry. But it's done and ready to eat. Oh. It's so good. Yeah, that's really good. You should totally try this recipe. All right, that's it. That's a vegan BLT. Pretty simple, slightly time consuming, but whatever. So worth it. All right, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Recipes, what I eat in a day, blah, blah. Yeah. All right, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.